African countries today are facing a big challenge of food security and in terms of hunger and poverty. And methyl bromide is a substance, it's probably the only ozone depleting substance which is related to the food security, which is related to the agricultural productivity, and it is important for the health of farmers as well. Till now, since beginning of 1990, the African countries have done the excellent job in phasing out methyl bromide from agricultural sector, particularly in a soil fumigation to the great extent. The phase out is not complete. As of 2005, 20% of the total methyl bromide baseline consumption has to be phased out, but definitely African countries have done much better than that. There is definitely a challenging issue of sustaining that achievement up till now. This is probably the only sector in ozone depleting substance where the reverse could be easily possible. That's because if farmer is not using the soil fumigation today, tomorrow it is very easy for any farmer to start using methyl bromide because you don't require for such kind of a change any special precaution. I'm sure the African countries don't want to use methyl bromide again, but there could be circumstances by which such possibility could be forced on them. And one of such possibility could be that the African countries do not get the alternatives, but there is a pressing need for the production of the food. Second could be the continued production of methyl bromide in the world can have a pressure on a consumption in Africa, and there could be overselling of the methyl bromide production in Africa. Knowing that the African countries do not want to use methyl bromide, and knowing that they are convinced that the methyl bromide alternatives are as effective as methyl bromide itself, what is needed to be done is that the alternative use should be now institutionalized in African countries. It should be institutionalized in farming practices, it should be institutionalized in agricultural universities, in textbooks, so that the future farmers, the trained farmers, educated farmers which will come out of the universities would know very well that the methyl bromide is a harmful substance. It not only affects the ozone layer, but it affects the health of the farmers, and getting rid of it will have a multitude of benefits. So the sustainability is important, and that sustainability measures are not yet in place, and there is a lot to be done. And probably United Nations Environment Program is planning to develop various measures to make sure that such sustainability of methyl bromide phase out does take place. The increase in a QPS use in Africa have various reasons. One of the reasons could be that the country which is importing the agricultural products which are produced without use of methyl bromide in Africa could be subjected to the methyl bromide, could be required to be treated with methyl bromide before they are shipped. So the regulations of the other countries could be one of the reasons. The other reasons could be the diversion of use of methyl bromide from the soil fumigation to the QPS due to the compelling need for the farmers to utilize such methyl bromide in a QPS use. Today we do see that the consumption in a QPS in African countries is rising, whereas the soil fumigation use, such consumption is decreasing. And this is sort of a trend which concerns particularly the emissions of methyl bromide into the atmosphere, and also that the African countries tomorrow may not be able to meet the compliance if the control measures under the QPS starts. So I think there is a need to make sure that such diversion to the QPS use from the soil fumigation does not take place, and alternatives to the QPS use are found quickly. Getting rid of methyl bromide from the agricultural practices has multitude of benefits. It not only saves the ozone layer, but it also improves the health of the farmers because methyl bromide is extremely toxic to the human beings. And another very important drawback of methyl bromide is a wide spectrum pesticide, that it kills not only the pests which are harmful, but it also kills the pests which are useful for agricultural productivity. So methyl bromide is definitely not a substance for a long term use in agriculture for the human beings. My message is the methyl bromide phase out will give what is called as a sustainable agricultural practices in the world, and they should pursue it. They should not pursue only in a soil treatment, but they pursue it in a quarantine and pre-shipment as well.